Hi again. So one more thing I have to explain regarding how to submit your project or how to work with your project. So in most cases, like we talked about in the first video, you're going to see a click in here to write. However, there are certain instances, like on slide number 6, where it says insert picture of your drawing here. So you have different ways of doing this. You are going to select this first option here because since you are going to be taking a picture and uploading it to your computer, you want to pull that file from your computer. So you're going to click on that. It'll give you the option to choose a file. So you're going to click choose file. It'll open up the folders that you have in your computer. So let's say that it's saved onto pictures. I have saved it onto a schoolwork folder, and I want to add this picture to it. So I'm going to click on that one because I already took a picture of my drawing. I'm going to click open, and I'm going to click insert. It automatically adds it to this part of the project. I can go ahead and rotate the picture, and I could also go ahead and minimize it to make it fit within the chart or the table that the teacher created. Like I said, in many of the other slides, it's just click here and write your answer. But for slide 6 in particular, you do need to insert a picture. I hope this helps.